Morning, children. Today we are going to discuss a topic on malnutrition. What do you mean of malnutrition? Lack of sufficient nutrients in the body. That means when the body doesn't get enough nutrients, causes include a poor diet in digestive conditions. That means if you are not taking proper diet, fruits, vegetables, pulses, carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins and all. So this is caused of malnutrition. So let us go into deep. More than 1 million cases per year in India are causing of this malnutrition. Let us see the symptoms. By fatigue, dizziness and weight loss. By fatigue in the sense, children, the pain, the muscles will get pain because of lack of food, lack of the nutrients. Dizziness, you feel very sleepy and all, you will be like completely in a feeling sleepy like that. Where weight loss, suddenly you drop your weight down. And why it is caused? Because of poverty, because of shortage of food, the faulty food distribution system, ignorance, the faulty food habits. So because of this, we are facing many diseases, and in that the deficiency diseases. The diseases caused due to insufficient amount of nutrients in the diet for a long period of time are called as deficiency diseases. So, and this deficiency diseases are also known as nutritional disorders. So let us see how this deficiency disease is involved. Children who are not getting adequate amount of proteins in their daily diet suffer from a disease called kwashiorkor. That means they are not getting the proper amount of proteins in a daily diet. So what does the lack of proteins in diet for a long time? That means if you are not eating your pulses, that means your grams, your red grams, pulses, dals and all different kinds of dals which consist of proteins, and proteins we call it as bodybuilding food. So if you're not eating that, we'll see what happens. So it results, if you're not eating proper proteinic food, stunted growth, and also leads to the proper development of your body, hair discoloration, the swelling of face, skin diseases. Because there's a lack of proteins, your skin also started breaking. The cells present near your skin, it starts breaking because of lack of proteins. There's no support you are giving by not eating this protein food. So diarrhea, as your body is 70% of your body is consist of water. If you're losing your body weight in the form of diarrhea, which leads to the loss of body weight only. So if both proteins and carbohydrates, it leads to the disease called as marasmus. It is commonly seen in the age of 5 years children. So the symptoms which leads to the child will become very weak. Growth may stop completely. So these are the mainly we are facing that. So we should eat proper food, proper carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins and all. Every day we should have a cup of milk which gives strength to our bones and all. And dal, mostly many of them they don't like dal and all. But as it is a bodybuilding food, you should eat at least twice or thrice in a day. So the food which you are eating, the carbohydrates, the rotis or the rice, whatever you like, you have to eat it in a proper meal, or else we are going to face all these such diseases. So this is about topic. Thank you.